Looking at my reflection, something's changed tonight. The water's still, but I'm moving to a different light. Every ripple shows me something more than what I knew before. I see myself differently tonight. Everything's coming to view, alright. I see myself differently tonight. Like water washing over what I knew was right. The surface breaks so softly as truth comes rushing in. Been holding back so long now, don't know where to begin. Every moment shows me something real that time cannot conceal. I see myself differently tonight. Everything's coming through, alright. I see myself differently tonight. Like water washing over what I knew was right. Let it flow through me, let it set me free. Watch it all become so clear. I see myself differently tonight. Everything's coming into view, alright. I watch you from across the room. The music's playing soft and smooth. Don't need to say a word to you, just let the beat move through. The crowd around us fades away. Your body speaks what words can't say. I see you lost inside the groove, and baby, I am too. Just you and the rhythm tonight. Just you and the rhythm so right. Just you and the rhythm inside. Just let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride. The bass is running through my spine. Your moves are matching perfect time. No need to cross this space between. This moment's yours and mine. The music's got you in its hold. Your dance is making time unfold. I see you lost inside the groove, and baby, I am too. Just you and the rhythm tonight. Just you and the rhythm so right. Just you and the rhythm inside. Just let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride. Let the music take control. Let your body free your soul. Nothing else needs to be said when the rhythm's in your head. Just you and the rhythm tonight. Just you and the rhythm so right. Just you and the rhythm inside. Just let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride. Floating face down in your bullshit again. Playing pretend like you're my perfect friend. Every weekend, same damn defense. Making me sink deeper, making less sense. Push me too far, now I'm by the pool. Thinking about us, feeling like a fool. Water's warm, but my heart's gone cold. Time to break free from your stranglehold. So tell me, baby, you gonna do when I finally say we're through? Been drowning in your lies so long. Now I'm finally feeling strong. How you gonna keep me here when I found my way so clear? Your excuses disappear like ripples in the water deep. Midnight swimming in my solitude. Found my power in peaceful mood. Breaking patterns, breaking every rule. Used to drown, but now I found my fuel. Poolside promises are washed away. While you're begging, baby, please just stay. Surface tension's about to break tonight. Watch me walk away, you'll be alright. Tell me, baby, you gotta do when I finally say we're through. Been drowning in your lies so long. Now I'm finally feeling strong.
Listen up, cause I'm only saying this once.
It's evaporating like water in the sun. And baby, I'm just getting started. How you gonna keep me here when I found my way so clear? Your excuses disappear like ripples in the water deep. Looking down at ripples in midnight blue. Your reflection caught me by surprise. All these nights I spent trying to forget you. Now the water's showing me what's inside. Been avoiding places that remind me of us, but this rooftop view keeps pulling me back. The city below moves on without much fuss, while I'm frozen here on this peaceful track. And the lights from down below dance across the surface slow. Every ripple tells a tale of what we were, what we became. The water knows my truth tonight. It mirrors everything I feel inside, but the reflections wash away the pain, till nothing but peace remains. The water knows. Watashi no kokoro wa mizu no ni, ture no hikari ni tokete iku. Looking at my face in liquid space, finally seeing clearly what I must do. Time to let go of what we had. The surface breaks and I'm not sad. Every wave that moves tonight is teaching me how